everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to disable Duet option on all videos on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first open the TikTok app on your phone. Now go to your profile and tap on the three straight lines icon from the top right corner. Now from the menu tap on Settings and Privacy. Now click on Privacy option and scroll down until you see the Duet option. Now tap on it. Now tap on Duet and now on Only Me. Now you have disabled the Duet option for all videos on TikTok. So thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.